Hey, so I'm going to talk to you guys how to do the degrees to radians, so you have a little video to show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. So to go from degrees to radians, you multiply by pi over 180. And then from there I combine, this is pretty much over 1, so I do 135 pi over 180. And then the only hard part is you need to simplify that fraction. So you need to keep breaking it down until you get to the basis. I know 5 goes into both. That gives me 27. 180 divided by 5, 36. I can go further, 3 goes into that. I can go further, 3 goes into those. And that's as far as I go. So that would be going from 135 degrees is 3 pi over 4 rads or radians. So same thing here. To go from degrees to radians, I multiply by pi over 180. I get 315 pi over 180. Another cool trick, depending on your calculator, you could just put this fraction in the calculator and then it'll reduce it for you. But my calculator here, this scientific one, does not do that, so I'm gonna do the long way. Divide both by 5, I can see. Oops. 315 divided by 5, I get 63. Divided by 5, that was 36. Keep going, 3 goes into both. Does 9 go into both? Oh, it does, 9 goes into both. That's a 7, it's a 4. That's my smallest, so that would be radians. So 315 degrees would be that much in radians. The other way around, all you're gonna do is do the opposite. Instead of times pi over 180, I'm gonna multiply by 180 over pi. This one's a lot easier because, boom, my pi's cancel. So then you're just gonna have 2 times 180 divided by 3. You don't need to simplify. I'm straight up gonna put the whole thing in the calculator. 2 times 180 divided by 3, I get 120 degrees. So 2 pi over 3 radians would be 120 degrees. This is really relevant because you're going to see it a lot in any type of trig class, so especially advanced math and algebra 2. 5 pi over 6 in rads, I do 180 over pi to get it into degrees. Boom, my pi's cancel. And then in my calculator, I do 5 times 180 divided by 6. I get 150 degrees. All right, you guys kill it on that homework.